Good morning, everyone. This is Mel with LethaleyasLittleHook with Melanie, and I brought you out to my garden this morning for a garden update. Woohoo! Look, you can even see things growing through the gates. So, nothing from the strawberries. Well, some wildflowers from last year. But, some flowers, blanket flowers. Nothing from the strawberries or cauliflowers back there. Cauliflowers. Some marigolds. And then we found out this is columbine. I should put a thing in there. That came back from last year, so yay. Those are strawberries in that back trough. And then we go inside. There's one of my azaleas that I've been trying to keep alive until I can get it in the ground. Sorry about the chain sound. I know people have different triggers. So, okay, what do we have? We have some wee baby carrots. Wee baby carrots. And some wee baby beets. And down here, some longleaf. I think it's longleaf. I don't know. It's long spinach. Radish. Cucumber. Nada. That's supposed to be cucumber. Shishito pepper. Nada yet. That's supposed to be zucchini. We'll see. Ooh, we got a new guy coming up, and he's in the pepper family. Okay, go back to where you were, Mel. Don't jump ahead. Okay, there's a tomato, hopefully. It doesn't remind me of what a tomato looks like, so we're going to see. Nothing in this area. Oh, wait. We see someone, and that's in the pepper family. Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. Get this guy out so he doesn't sprout. So, woohoo. Well, I don't know. Yeah, he seems to be where the peppers are, not where the tomatoes are. We'll see when he grows. Okay, nothing around here. I'm taking you guys on my morning. I do this. I come in and I stare adamantly at the dirt and look for anything popping up. It's my morning ritual. Okay, the one pea that was coming up seemed to have failed. Poor baby. And he's right there. He hasn't done anything yet. He's still a tiny bit of green. He's like, I can't make it. I can't. So, we have this guy. And he is between the peas and the corn. So, I don't know which one he is. I mean, you're all going, he's this. You're yelling at me. And I'm going, I don't know what he is until he comes up. So, and then nothing in the seed onions, like that were actual seeds, which are bunching onions, which I love. I love chives. I love bunching onions. But the starter onions, we have quite a few. There, and there, and there, and then some more over there. Yada, yada. And then we have a lovely potato, as my British granny would say. Potatoes. Are we having potatoes? And then I believe if we go way down here, we have another one coming up. Where is, my camera never goes where. There he is. And that one might be a blue one. Hey, don't shrivel. You need water. Okay. And then down here, nothing in the tomato. Lots in the cilantro. All over on the edge. It's like, why are you on the edge? Nothing in the, what is that? Dill. No catnip. Lots of little basil. And no chives. I want chives so bad. I love chives. You know what though? Funny story. I reached in because some of this dirt, it had little rocks in it, as you can see here. And every so often, because the watering washes off the rocks, and I reach in and I'm pulling out these rocks and I'm throwing them over there into the bushes so that my dad doesn't mow them, even though they're tiny and it wouldn't get in the mower. And I reach in to the basil to pull out a rock, and it's a tiny little toad, a little black toad. And he just jumps out, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you scared the crap out of me. And he's like, well, you scared the crap out of me. I was just sitting there. And I'm like, here, let me get you out of my garden. And he's like, nope, nope. I am going to jump into the little crevices in the stone wall your dad built, and I'm going to live there. This is now my garden and my domain. So I have a little guardian of the garden now, a little black toad living down there, eating whatever he wants, and, just chilling out. Now, if anybody has any suggestions, because I tend to feel the dirt, and if it feels dry and I stick my finger down a little, if it feels dry in the top little layer, I water it, because I know the sun will dry the top layer, but maybe not down. I don't want to overwater. But if you can give me any tips, that would be fantastic. Someone warned me about not overwatering the strawberry roots. And the pots, even though they all have drainage, seem to be staying really moist. So I am up for any tips and advice. I am enjoying this. Things are coming along slowly, but they're coming along. I know a lot of people are already harvesting. They seem to be in the south or whatever. And a lot of people also got to start seeds inside. Doesn't bother me. I am going to get what I am going to get. Also, I am taking part in #gardeninghomesteadingskills, and I am on team Will It Grow? So, wait, no. Gosh, I'm watching too many of my friends' videos. Slash that. I am not on team Will It Grow? Oh, that is my friend's team. I am on team... Oh, you know what? We're going to come over here. You're going to look at my pretty garden. Wait. What team am I on? I'm going to put the hashtags below. My brain is not working yet. It is early in the morning. My brain isn't working. I'm going to put my team below. Yeah. All right. Anyway, I hope you all shine bright like the stars you are. I hope you enjoyed this gardening tour. And, any tips and tricks. Thank you very much. Bye.